This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com as we begin a new month and also a new week for March 2020, aka 2020. Let's take a look at markets here. Markets beginning the month with a nice gap up about 3 to 4%. Let's take a look at a chart here for the Dow Transports. And in this quick educational video, I'm going to be discussing strange lines. What do I mean by that? I mean lines that you would not expect to give you any type of information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line starting from the highs of, again, this is 4 years of data. So we can know 4 years of weekly data. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line connecting the highs of the RSI from late 2016, and it's going to touch the highs right there. I'll show you how that's going to be relevant. And what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to draw it like that, and just right off the bat we can see we clear that line and we have a nice move, an uptick in the market as far as the Dow Transports are concerned right here. Now what we're going to do is, as I was saying, this is a strange line concept, and we're going to take that line and we're going to extend it, something like that. So let's take a look at some of the sell signals that this line gave. There was a sell signal here back below the line, and we see that the market did have a bias to the downside. Here's another resistance level here. This was middle of 2018. Market did have a swift move to the downside, rejection here, and even after a break here, both of those did yield swing trades lower. And then we also have the exact opposite view where we get buy signal entries to the upside. There was a move above that blue line here for this swing trade opportunity to the upside, or at least there was a bias to the upside. We move above the line here, which is this movement here higher, and then we would come back, and for a couple years, or at least in 2019, market's been holding that line and we've been seeing a recovery. We held the line here with uniform action below the line, back above it. We know that means that is support. We have this uptick. We have support here again during this period here, actually this period right here, which gave us a couple weeks to the upside, and now the market is trading exactly on the line. So you can see that this seemingly strange line actually is jam-packed with information. So what this is telling us is, if the market can hold this line, then there's a good likelihood of a swing trade lasting weeks to the upside. And if this line was to break, then that would give us some insight that now the market is still looking to stage a move or a continued move lower. So a single straight line, as long as the Dow Transports are holding this line here on a weekly chart, that might be suggestive that the market is due for a bounce, and a break below that line might be suggestive of a market that is gonna be continuing lower. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and